Hi all, Jim from DoubleDome here. I wanted to give you a quick overview of one of the plugins that we've created. We've got a few out there in the WordPress repository and a few more coming down the pipe. But anyway, this one I find quite useful. It's called the Resource Link Library plugin, and it's very simple but could be used in a number of different ways. And I'll tell you a little bit about how we're using it, and I'll show you. Anyway, it can be found under Resources, DoubleDome WordPress Plugins. Here is the landing page on our website for it that goes into a little bit more detail with some screenshots here. And then this download link takes you to the actual page within the repository, the WordPress repository. So this is a little bit more about it and we'll keep this updated with any new revisions as they come about. Gives you a little bit more detail here. So if I'm logged into the back end of our website, this is what it looks like. It's quite simple. It's only meant to be used on the back end of a website, on a WordPress website. So we developed this because it was quite useful for our clients going forward when we need to create like tutorial videos for how different plugins work on the back end of their website. For SEO reports, we do weekly and monthly reporting for different marketing campaigns that we do for clients. So anything from an SEO Google Analytics report to a paid ad type of report, review management, email marketing, those are some good examples of different reports that we can evergreen and catalog within the back end of the client's website. So that's where it would always live and be up to date with kind of a one-stop shop where they can find all of this type of educational and training type of content. So we're looking at the back end of our website right now. There's not a ton of categories built out, but you could see how this could quickly grow and become a nice resource for all of these types of evergreen type of content. And the type of content it is, it's all external links. So think Google Drive, YouTube, Loom video links, all types of reporting PDFs that would live within different third-party systems or that could be downloaded and housed within an organizational structure of Google Drive. Well, those all have links to them. And those links would be associated within the link library and also categorized by whatever makes the most sense. So in looking at our site right now, we only have a few different categories, but it'll give you a good idea of where you might be able to go with it. So employee training for our employees, SEO reports for our types of reports, and this is just for example purposes right now. This is not fully built out on the back end of our website. Website training videos. So that's kind of in a nutshell what it's all about. You basically give the resource a title, which automatically links to the link that you provide as well, and then it would live under a specific category. You can edit from the landing page, from this dashboard page right here. You can, obviously, if this gets to be if this grows over time, you have lots of categories with lots of links, you will be able to do a smart search right here within the dashboard view. You can add a new link right here within this dashboard view. But you could also come over on the sidebar within the resource link library section, manage your links, add a link, manage your categories, add a category, and then get plugin support by emailing directly to pluginsupport@doubledome.com. So I hope you find this useful. We certainly do. Our clients are starting to find it very useful for how we're categorizing and cataloging the different reports that we do and the different videos that we shoot for the back end of their website. So thanks so much.